Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back with another video. This is 𝗙𝗙𝗟𝗟𝗪 and you are watching the Digitized Studio. Today I am back with another video related to SolidWorks and its SolidWorks Champions Program. In this video I will be going to show you how you can be the part of this SolidWorks Champions Program and what are the benefits of it. Most importantly, I will also show you who is eligible for this program. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Before moving further, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and share your queries in the comment section below. I will be responding to each and every comment as soon as possible. So let's start our today's video. So now you can see a SolidWorks Champions Program web page on your laptop or a computer screen, and this is how you will get this page. Just go to google.com and search in your browser SolidWorks Champion Program and press enter, and this is the first link. Click on it. So here we go. This is the SolidWorks Champions Program web page. So on this page, if you scroll it down, you will see on the first note we will be having some requirements for becoming the SolidWorks champions. Any student or industry user can be a champion, and most importantly, the major requirement for becoming the SolidWorks champion is to have certified SolidWorks professional exam passed by you. After that, you must be a member of SolidWorks user group, and there are multiple SolidWorks user group networks, and you need to be the part of those and attend the meetings there. And you also have to be active on the social media communities and the SolidWorks user forum and their social media pages. And this is all the requirements that are needed to be the SolidWorks champion. If we scroll down further, you can see how you maintain your SolidWorks champion status. So once you get the SolidWorks champion status, you will have to maintain it. For that purpose, you need to follow the ongoing commitments to the required activities noted above. These are here. And next is complete our annual program renewal process each March. So right now you are applying for SolidWorks Champions Program, and some of you will be applying for the renewal process. So this is the date when you are applying for the new application. Some users who are already a part of SolidWorks Champions Program will be also applying to the renewal of their application. And next is an additional SolidWorks and 3D Experience certifications. Attend 3D Experience World virtual and in person. And 3D Experience World, this is basically their international event, so you have to attend it. Regularly participate in weekly champions live meeting. Be an active member of SolidWorks Champions headquarters and engage and mentor less experienced user. So this is all regarding maintaining your SolidWorks champion status. And scrolling down further, you will find the program benefits. So what are the benefits you will be getting after becoming the SolidWorks champion? So you will get free access to 3D Experience platform, the SolidWorks Champions forum, and the SolidWorks Champions headquarters, and roll from the 3D Experience Works portfolio. SolidWorks Champions live exclusive weekly meetings alternating between social, lunch or discussions and expert technical presentations. Other than this, you will also receive a SolidWorks Champion digital badge issued by 𝗙𝗙𝗟𝗟𝗪, and so that you can use this badge of SolidWorks champions on different platforms like Upwork. You can also showcase your SolidWorks champion badge there with the help of 𝗙𝗙𝗟𝗪. And direct interaction with the SolidWorks 3D Experience Works executive and R&D team. First pass invitation to special SolidWorks 3D Experience Works program and initiatives. Priority access to the new product trials. and get featured in SolidWorks blogs and social media posts, official events and beta programs. So these are some benefits, and other than this you will also be getting a SolidWorks Champions kit, and in that SolidWorks Champions kit you will be getting a lot of gifts from the SolidWorks with their official branding on them. So now let's complete our form to the SolidWorks Champions program. For that, click on apply now button and you will get this form on your screen. So to proceed, you will need to be certified as either a certified SolidWorks professional or certified SolidWorks expert. So this application should take 10 to 15 minutes to complete. If you click on any hyperlink in this form, make sure to right mouse click open link in the new tab so you don't navigate away from this form and reset it. If we go down, and here you can see, are you renewing your membership in the SolidWorks Champions program? So you need to click on no, because you are the first time applying for the SolidWorks Champions program. But if you are already a SolidWorks Champions program, then you have to select yes here. And there are some legal stuff. I certified that I am at least 18 years of age at the time of application. Yes, accept it. I acknowledge that by submitting my information I have read and hereby accept the privacy policy under which my personal data will be processed by Dassault Systems, SolidWorks Corporation and third parties of its business purposes only. So click on accept it, and we have to accept all these check boxes and scroll down further. So here you need to put your first name and the last name, and again scroll down, email address. So SolidWorks is suggesting us to not use your school or any employer email address. So you can read it here why they are asking to not use this email. But if you have the university ID or employer ID and you have permanent access to it, you can use that as well. So no worries at all. So I will put my email address here, and below you have to write your phone number and scroll down further. So here are some local informations. Select your country and the city and the state or province, and these are not mandatory files, so you can skip it as well. And below are some professional information. Are you currently employed by Dassault System? No. Are you currently employed by the SolidWorks Value Added Reseller? No. How would you describe your role as a SolidWorks user? So here you have to select according to your need, and I am selecting mine. And here you have to select your company or employer and the company size. Which of these roles best describe your daily work? You have to fill this form according to your need. So let me finish this form, and if I feel that anything here is confusing, I will explain it to you. So which of these roles best describe your daily work? Which industry best matches your current employer? So I have selected it, and scroll down. How many years have you worked in the industry above? Which domains are most related to your role today? It's design and manufacturing. In your daily work, which of the following design and engineering discipline are you most involved in? And SolidWorks access. How do you access SolidWorks? Please check all that apply. And how many years you use SolidWorks product? Around 2 years. Which SolidWorks product do you use today? When you need new SolidWorks skill, I go to LinkedIn Learning, I go to SolidWorks social media, I go to SolidWorks forum, I go to my SolidWorks, and I will select the YouTube SolidWorks user group meetings and YouTube. Have you heard about 3D Experience platform? Yes. How many years do you have used platform? Around 1 year. 3D experience, platform access, platform usage. Which of the following SolidWorks certification do you possess? So here you have to select all those check boxes that are applicable in your case. So here you can see CSWPCID. So this is the code that you can see. It can be found by logging into 3D Experience Certification Center. If you click here, you will open up this page and you have to log in here, and with the same ID you have cleared your certified SolidWorks professional exam, and there you will get your certified SolidWorks professional certificate. So on your certificate, on the bottom left corner, you will find your ID, and you have to use this ID here in this field. And then again scroll down, I accept it. Online presence, so here you have to select all those check boxes that are applicable for your case. So here you have to provide your LinkedIn profile, and on the bottom page you have to select your YouTube channel. Before submitting, select these links and paste in your browser to verify that if the links are working well. I need to copy my LinkedIn as well and paste it on LinkedIn profile. So select the desired check boxes. Are you a member of any professional association? None. And SolidWorks, we require all applicants to engage at least one SolidWorks user group and regularly attend meetings either virtually or in person. Need to find a SolidWorks user group, so click here. So here you can see I didn't follow the instructions on top of the forum, that we have to right click on each hyperlink and open it into the new tab. If I left click on the hyperlinks, then my forum will be gone. So I made this mistake and I don't want you to do it. So always use the right mouse button and open all the hyperlinks into the new tab. So I am not going to fill this form again, but I will be going to show you the next process what will be in our form. So here you have to list your SolidWorks user group network. Right click here and open it in new tab. So here you can join a group by clicking on this button. Here you have to write your location and click on search button. So here I have found this Islamabad SolidWorks user group. Right now in this field you have to write your SolidWorks user group network in which you are actively participating, and then click this checkbox. Are you currently a SolidWorks user group leader? No, but I am interested. And then how do you plan to engage the SolidWorks Champions Program? So from the list below you have to check all those boxes that are applicable in your case. And below you find a free response. Send me a copy and click and write your email here on which you want to receive this copy of your application form, and then just click on submit. So this is all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any sort of questions or queries, please comment down below. I will make sure to reply each and every comment within 24 hours. And don't forget to hit the like button and press the subscribe button so you never miss any future updates from my channel. Stay tuned till the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.